Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word rarify in depth. First, the definition. Rarify means to make something less dense or more refined. Think of it simply as making something thinner or less crowded, like air at high altitudes. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Rarify traces back to the Latin word rarificare, meaning to make rare or thin, first recorded in the 17th century. Over time, it's been used by scientists and writers to describe processes that reduce density. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use rarify in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. Airplanes rarefy the air at high altitudes to improve engine performance. Correct example 2. The artist tried to rarefy the colors in his painting for a softer effect. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to rarefy my coffee, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference. Using rarefy correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Rarefy means to make something less dense or more refined. It comes from Latin rarificare, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with rarefy down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.